This is the new ZMI LevPower M10 Qi and MFi certified wireless USB-C PD power bank. Let's see what's inside the packaging. There are a couple of pamphlets in the box, a customer support or thank you pamphlet, and the LevPower M10 user guide. And lastly, the LevPower M10. The side has the ZMI logo is a non-slip flexible coating on the wireless charging panel. It has a smooth metal shell exterior with a rounded corner design that offers a comfortable grip. There is a caution label over the port's side. The one on the left is USB-A port, the middle port is USB-C, and the right is lighting port. And next to it is the battery level check button. I want to do a quick demo here to show how the LevPower M10 charges wirelessly. This is the Google Pixel 3. I'm going to place it on the side that has the ZMI logo, which is the wireless charging panel. Make sure you place your phone or device so that it covers the whole ZMI logo area. When I place it on the panel, the wireless charging indicator blue light is on, which means wireless charging is in progress. Let's say after some time it's done charging and you take the phone off, you notice the wireless charging indicator light changed from a solid blue light to a pausing blue light, which means that it is in standby mode. To recharge the LevPower M10, for iPhone owners, you can use the charger and lighting cable you already have. Just plug in the smaller end into the lighting port and you're good to go. You could also fast charge the LevPower M10 using a USB-C PD charger like the ZMI zPower Turbo along with the C2C cable. Both are not included but available for purchase separately. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep up with our new product announcements and updates, please subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page.